Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Today I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to market our latest arrival, this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE450 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. So this 450 is the 3-litre petrol variant, very powerful but also very capable, surprisingly efficient, as it is the mild hybrid technology. It is an intelligent engine and it works hand in hand with a combustion engine to ensure that you get the maximum efficiency. Now this 2020 model is supported with full Mercedes-Benz service history and does in actual fact have £9,465 of factory fitted optional extras. So more about this car's superb service history. It was first serviced in the March of 2021 at just 4,783 miles. Again in the March of 2022 at 12,199 miles. And most recently in April of this year, 22,389 miles. Absolutely superb vehicle. Really does look the part, performs, and is very capable as it does have off-road capabilities. As one of the added bits of specification is £1,695 worth of off-road package. Now the off-road package combines the Airmatic suspension with the likes of the DSR or downhill speed regulator, as this car really can go off-road and be more than capable. Now the Premium Plus package, which contains lots and lots of different specification, was £4,295 from new. I will shortly be talking you through some of those bits of specification. We have the Tech Pack Plus, which integrates the augmented nav to the MBUX system, as well as the heads-up display. £685 of Obsidian black metallic paintwork. And I must come down here and show you those beautiful 22-inch alloy wheels at £1,295. As you can see, the sun shining gloriously on that recognisable Mercedes-Benz diamond grille. Looks superb. And I'd like to just take you to the inside of the cabin now to demonstrate some more features. Before we do, we can see you do have the running boards with rubber studs. As we just approach the door here, we are blessed with keyless entry as well as keyless go. Now on the door card, we have 3-stage electric memory front seats for both driver and passenger, which are heated with 3-stage level heating. The upgraded Burmeister surround sound system for a nice crisp clean sound. And finishing the full black Nappa leather. And we do of course have a sliding panoramic glass sunroof. Take another scan back here. We have that beautiful widescreen cockpit of Mercedes-Benz. And if we just jump in and start the vehicle up, fantastic navigation system. And just down here, we have the controls for the air suspension. You may just get a glimpse of the ambient lighting in there. It really does very bright when it's darker. And this GLE450 is also blessed with the 7-seater package. So there is a 3rd row of seats if you do wish to carry any more passengers. All in all, an absolutely superb vehicle, low mileage, fantastic service history, and in extremely good condition. So I hope that you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and for any further information, please contact our award-winning sales team. They'll be on hand to discuss all of your finance requirements, extended warranties, and we do also offer Lifeshine Auto Glim, the paint protection appointed to His Majesty the King to protect that gorgeous metallic obsidian black. Thank you for watching.